Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your LG Stylo 4 Rhino 1 Pro. First, check the volume levels and settings by going to sound and vibration, then ensure media and call volumes are turned up. Next, disable Bluetooth to make sure audio isn't being rerouted to another device. Also ensure no headphones or earphones are plugged in. Restart your phone by pressing power and volume up, then tap Restart to refresh the system. I'll see you in a second once it's done. After restart, clean the speakers at the back, top, and bottom to remove dust and dirt that can block sound. As a last resort, update your software, open Settings, scroll to System, and tap System Updates. If your system isn't up to date, I recommend updating to fix any speaker glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!